Hello, this is Jeremy with SkipperBud's here in Bay City, Michigan. Today we have a 2014 270 Signature Chaparral listed for sale. This boat is very clean, has about 400 hours on it. Let's take a look at the inside here. This is powered by a 8.2 liter Merc Cruiser, back lounger on the back. Plenty of seating for friends to entertain. This has got the in-dash Garmin fish finder GPS. Taking a look underneath here. Very nice cabin, spacious. This turns into a bed, also has a pedestal table. Has a full head. The full electric stove, microwave, and refrigerator down here. Also has the aft cabin for more sleeping area if desired. But overall, this 2014 Chaparral has been well taken care of. Call Jeremy here at SkipperBud's if you have any other questions. Thank you.